Imagine finding a small coin in an old drawer, a coin so ordinary that most people would ignore it. But what if that coin was secretly worth millions of dollars? Today we're going to explore one of the most mysterious coins collectors talk about, the 1965 Bahrain 10 fils coin, marked with the Islamic year 1385. Some collectors claim a rare version of this coin could reach values as high as $8.5 million under extraordinary circumstances. But is that really true? Let's uncover the history, design, rarity, and real value of this fascinating coin. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you how to check if your coin might be the rare version collectors are hunting for. Section 1. History of the coin. The 10 fils coin of Bahrain was issued in 1965, during a time when Bahrain was developing its modern monetary system. Before Bahrain became the financial hub it is today, the country used coins like this in everyday transactions. The coin also displays the Hijri year 1385, which corresponds to 1965 in the Gregorian calendar. These coins were produced for circulation, meaning thousands of people used them to buy everyday items like food, transport, or small goods. Back then, nobody imagined that decades later collectors around the world would begin searching for these coins. But over time, rare variations and well-preserved pieces became increasingly interesting to coin collectors. Section 2. Coin design details. Let's look closely at the design of this coin. The front side, also called the obverse, typically features traditional Arabic inscriptions along with the denomination. The Arabic text shows 10 fils along with the year 1385. The design reflects Bahrain's cultural identity and Islamic heritage. Now turn the coin to the reverse side. Here you'll usually find decorative patterns inspired by Middle Eastern art. The coin itself is relatively small but beautifully crafted. Key specifications include diameter, approximately 20 mm. Metal composition, bronze. Weight, about 4 grams. Even though it was meant for everyday use, the coin's elegant Arabic design makes it visually appealing to collectors. Section 3. Why collectors are interested. So why are collectors interested in this coin? There are 3 main reasons. First, historical value. Coins from the 1960s represent an important period when many Gulf countries were modernizing their currencies. Second, condition. Most of these coins were heavily circulated. Finding one in uncirculated condition today is quite difficult. Coins graded as mint state by professional grading companies can be worth significantly more. Third, rare varieties. Some collectors believe that small minting variations or errors may exist. These include slight design differences, misstrikes, unusual metal composition. Rare varieties often become the most valuable coins. Section 4. The $8.50 million claim. Now let's talk about the big question. Is the 1965 Bahrain 10 fils coin really worth $8.5 million? In reality, most examples of this coin are worth a few cents to a few dollars, depending on their condition. However, extremely rare coins in the world, especially unique mint errors or historical prototypes, can sometimes sell for millions. So when you see claims about extremely high values, they usually refer to hypothetical rare versions, not the common circulation coin. That's why coin authentication is so important. Professional grading services examine coins under microscopes to determine if they have unusual characteristics. Section 5. How to check your coin. If you have a 1965 Bahrain 10 fils coin, here are a few things you should check. Step 1. Examine the year carefully. Make sure it clearly shows 1385 in Arabic. Step 2. Look at the coin's condition. Coins with sharp details, original color, and no scratches are far more valuable. Step 3. Check for errors. Look for off-center designs, double lettering, misaligned strikes. These rare errors can dramatically increase collector interest. Step 4. Weigh the coin. A significant difference in weight might indicate a rare variation or mint mistake. If you believe your coin is unusual, consider sending it to a professional coin grading service. This can confirm authenticity and potentially increase its market value. Section 6. Where these coins are found. Interestingly, these coins sometimes appear in unexpected places. Collectors have found them in old coin jars, estate collections, antique markets, vintage coin albums. Because many people don't recognize them, they occasionally get overlooked. That's why coin hunters always recommend checking old coins carefully before spending or selling them. The 1965 Bahrain 10 fils coin may look simple, but it carries a fascinating story from the early days of Bahrain's modern currency. While most examples are not worth millions, rare coins and mint errors can sometimes surprise collectors. So next time you find an old coin, take a closer look. You might be holding a small piece of history. And who knows, maybe even a hidden treasure. If you enjoyed this video and love discovering rare coins, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me in the comments. Have you ever found an unusual coin in your collection? Thanks for watching Old Coin Vault, and I'll see you in the next treasure hunt. Here is a YouTube SEO package for your video about the Bahrain 10 fils 1965 coin to help improve search visibility and clicks.